another video today. We're going riding. I'm out on the TTR230 today, and yeah. Woo! This bike feels so freaking smooth because I've been riding the YZ250, the 1999 YZ250 for the past few videos. So now I'm on a 2025 TTR230 and this thing is just so easy to ride. It's honestly unbelievable. It's so nice to ride a new bike. Oh, and the tires are so fresh too. So I am getting like peak traction right now, guys. Also, you should be able to hear me talking a lot better in this video because I'm on a TTR. This thing's quiet as heck. And it still has the Bafflin stock exhaust. This thing is just so peaceful to ride, bro. Woo. Man, I haven't been through here in so long. It's actually like such a nice spot. Oh, and we finally have a warm day. It's been like, the weather's been so like bad lately, and then this week it's gotten so much better. So I've just been riding like non-stop this week, and it's been pretty awesome. This bike is just so good to ride. I keep saying that. It's the truth. The suspension just like, you just bounce over anything. Woo, woo. Hopefully all the trails are still like in riding condition because they've been logging up here a lot, and I'm pretty sure they like demolished a bunch of the trails, which is honestly pretty sad to see. It's like, it's kind of crazy when you like ride in a spot all the time and then one day you go there and it's just like a big logging road with clear cuts everywhere. Oh my gosh, I forgot how gutless this bike is. I need to downshift before I go up a hill. Okay, we're gonna go this way. No, we're gonna go this way. It's been so long I don't even remember where these trails lead. Woo. Oh yeah. Bro. Having a fresh tire has gotta be the nicest experience ever. I actually don't think I've ever ridden another bike. I don't think I've ever ridden a bike that hasn't had like a clapped out tire. I feel spoiled right now. It's a good experience. Oh, it's just such a beautiful trail. So nice. I'm gonna keep saying that, like throughout this whole video you're gonna hear me talking about how nice out it is. Woo, woo. Oh, there's some big rocks on here though, and I gotta avoid those. I hope I went the right way. I kinda had like a destination in mind of where I wanted to go, but honestly, I don't really remember how to get to it. So hopefully we're going the right way. I think the TTR230, or even any trail bike, the CRF250F, the CRF230, the KLX230, they're all such good bikes for anybody. Not even just beginners. They're just such good bikes. Like, I'm not a beginner, and I am having a blast on this thing right now. Woo! I don't even know what gear I'm in. I honestly, I have no idea. But it doesn't even matter. Okay, so, yeah, this is the spot I wanted to be in. I don't know if I want to go this way or this way. But I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go take a piss. And I'm going to turn my camera off because I don't actually want to film this part of the video. So, sorry, not sorry. Okay, guys, so, a little conflict here. I can't find Griffin, so we gotta go find him. Griffin! Griffin! Where are you? What did you do? Oh, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Oh my god. What even is the...
Huh?
What even happened here?
Help me get it back up and I'll tell you what happened.
Yeah, did you turn your fuel off?
Huh? Did
you turn your fuel off?
Yes.
Good. Okay, grab the front wheel.
Yeah.
Okay. You got some explaining to do.
Yep. Okay.
You're good.
Okay.
You good? Bro, I was freaking scared for you.
Oh no, I was good.
I thought you like died or something. I was coming down here like screaming your name.
I was...
Yeah, it's gonna be a good bit for the video.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love dirt biking. Woo! Oh, this road is so fun to just open it up on. Holy! Oh, this is gonna be a thumbnail shot right here. Woo! Alright, dude. Oh, there's deers. I'm sorry, guys, I don't mean to scare you. Look at them hop. Oh, there's like 4 of them. There's a little buck too. That one, oh, it's a little like 2-point. Yo! Hello, deers. Oh, this is such a good spot. Holy. Woo. I have so much traction. Holy. That's blowing me away. I've never had this much grip before. Okay, so I didn't even know there was a split here. We're gonna keep going straight. I wonder if I could wheelie this thing. I think you have to clutch up to wheelie it. Or I just need to really pull back. I probably could if I like start from the... I don't think I'd need to clutch up. I don't know. I'm not great at wheelies, so maybe we'll leave that alone. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Almost got hit by the branches. Alrighty. We're just cruising right now. This is here is where it turns to the little logging roads. Yep. Yep, this, it's so sad. This used to be a nice trail, and look what it is now. It's just nothing. Oh, I'm in third, hang on. Oh, he stopped. This bike is so fun just to, like, mess around on. Like, bro, it's just so fun. I'm so happy right now. Oh, tree. Okay. There's fresh tracks in here. It looks like someone else has been riding. Oh. This bike could sound good if you put like a full FMF on it, bro. I've seen people do that on trail bikes, and they actually sound like better than you'd think. They surprised me, so. There's another trail down there. What? I'm so energetic right now, I don't know why. I just got off an 8-hour shift at McDonald's, and I come home and get dirt biking. What more can you ask for in life? I'm gonna try and wheelie it. What gear am I in? Let's go in second. Okay, ready? We're not even gonna use clutch, we're just gonna do a pop. Oh my gosh, it bogged so hard. Okay, wait. We need higher RPM. We can get the tire up, that's possible. The bike has no power, it doesn't want to, but it's possible. This bike is so fun just to fly on, bro. Compared to like an actual race bike. It's like the good old saying, going fast, hang on, give me a second. Going fast on a slow bike is better than going slow on a fast bike. I know you've heard that somewhere, okay? Just go with the flow. Oh, another turn off. I want to go explore those, but I don't want to get lost, so maybe we stick to the routes. Oh, I'm pretty sure there's a viewpoint right here too. I think. Oh yeah. We're gonna pause the bike. That's the wrong terminology, but the viewpoint kind of sucks. Oh, you got it? Okay, let's go.
Fuck you.
We don't even need to turn the bike on. We're just gonna roll. This is kind of fun. It's like a mountain biking. So peaceful. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're turning the bike on now. Oh, my suspension's so soft. I love it. We're going up the berm. Oh shit, log! I just went right over top of that. Wait, that was sick. I honestly, I'm gonna be so dead ass. I thought I was eating it on that log, but my suspension's like a freaking bouncy castle. I was waiting so long to do that. That was so fun. Oh, this one looks good too. I don't know why I'm making the noises. My bike's already doing that part, but hey, whatever. Oh, this bike is so fun. Oh, this is such a sick road. Trail. Little... bike just chugs. That's so fun. Is that a trail up there? Wait. There's no power in first. You might as well not even have first gear on this bike, bro. Oh, log. That was a quick catch. Past a fence, I slow right down and I examinate it, bruh. I don't know if that's a word, I might have just made that up, but like, you know. Let's see if I can log hop this on the angle. Brah. Brah, brah, brah. I got the job done. Why is it so tall? It's so tall. Even like compared to my 250.
Really?
Not even like, it's probably worse because I just got off this thing, but like when I was going over the log, I couldn't touch the ground. Whew. Can I even make that turn? Oh, I can. Beautiful. I feel so low to the ground now. Okay, let's try and pop it up while he's turning around. Okay, let's try and clutch pop it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another log. We're gonna have to turn around. We're not getting around this one. He's gonna be pissed. What? There's a tree on the path. I knew he was going to be pissed. That was so funny. What gear am I in? Alright. Oh, you could have just went around right there. That was badass. Alright guys, well, we're going to head back now. Because honestly, I got no idea. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because, I don't know, I don't really like filming the way it's back. I feel like it's kind of repetitive, so usually when I turn around, I kind of end the video there. That's kind of what I've always done, so yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye! That was a solid outro, okay.